Hi, this is Mark from LongIslandWatch.com, and welcome to Watch and Learn number 50. We made it halfway to 100. Today I want to do a quick video just to show you how to remove scratches from a brushed finish on your watch. It could be anywhere. It could be on the head, it could be on the case back, it could be on the clasp, which is usually where people have the issue. It is generally the clasp that catches the most scratches. So this is the clasp on my Ulysse Nardin, and it is a brushed finish clasp, but it's got, a lot of little scratches in it and stuff. And I wanted to show you just a quick trick that you can use to do this. But before I start, I wanted to show you, I brought my Speedmaster out for the occasion. This clasp also has some scratches, but the clasp has a little bit of a high polish to it. Not really polished, but it certainly is reflective. And I would not want to try to brush this, because if I did, I'm going to lose any luster that is there, and it's going to become just a brushed finish clasp. I also want to show you a Seiko, a little Seiko military watch. This is a blasted finish. I did a Watch and Learn a while ago about different case finishes of watches. This guy is blasted, not brushed. So if you look at it really closely, you won't really see much in the way of any patterning. The clasp is the same way. If you were to hit it with what I'm going to do, you will give it a pattern, and you don't want to. It's going to put lines in it, and it's going to ruin that uniform blasted appearance that this watch actually has. So let's figure out what we're going to do here. So to take care of the clasp, I simply went out. I have Scotch-Brite. It's this green stuff. You find it in the supermarket, in the hardware store, and it's basically a scouring pad. And I cut off a small piece, and all we're going to do is actually rub the clasp in one direction, almost as straight as we can, really, because you imagine if the real way this would be done would be on a wheel, and they'd hit it to a wheel, and the wheel is always going straight. My hand's not going that straight. And you're just going to brush it gently. So I'll show you the clasp beforehand, and that's what it looks like. And then I'm just going to put a little pressure on it and just do the lines back and forth. I'm going to keep doing this for a few minutes, and you'll see it's getting a little bit scratched up, but that's okay. It's all going to come out in the wash in the end. And if you're thinking, oh, he's going to ruin the Ulysse Nardin logo, I'm not. It will stay. That's actually partially engraved, so it won't go anywhere. But I'm going to just use a little time lapse. I will show you the finished product when I'm done in a moment. Okay, now I'm pretty much almost done. Now I'm going to buff it with my glove. I guess I'm going to need new gloves after this. There are some areas that have deep scratches, like right here. I think you could see them. I could see them. And then on this clasp over here, there's a couple of scratches that are deeper. And if I wanted to really attack that, I probably could, but I'm really not comfortable personally doing that. I think the way it looks now, I'll hold it right there, is leaps and bounds better than the way it looked before. Now on this watch, it's also got a link up here. It's got the same issue, so I would just continue in the same process and treat this link the same exact way. And again, try to brush out the scratches. And you indeed see a difference. Like I said, I could go a little bit more if I wanted to, but I'm not going to. If it was on the head of the watch, you probably want to be a little more careful. I mean, I know a lot of you people are kind of really meticulous about this stuff. Maybe even on your clasp, you'd be super careful. But you just want to make sure that you're going in the right direction, because if you look at brush finishes, they do have a direction to them. You want to try to keep all of that going in the proper way. So anyway, this has been Mark from LongIslandWatch.com showing you how to brush out some of the scratches in a steel clasp. Please like this video if you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. If you have any questions or comments, please put them down below, and I'll be sure to address them as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.